All right, y'all. JJE back again.
Yes, back again.
And in this video, we're going to show you guys how to open your own YouTube account.
Yes.
Hit that video thing.
Right there.
Bing. All right. So the first thing you want to do when you're opening a YouTube account is go to YouTube. All right.
Hello, yes.
Go to www.youtube.com. All right, on your web browser. All right. Doesn't matter what web browser you have.
That's right. Or download the app if some of y'all are a little more tech savvy.
And where can I get the app?
Oh, you can go on your app store.
On what devices?
Android and iPhone.
And
Apple. Android and Apple.
Play Store.
Anyway, right.
Google Store. Apple Store. Wherever
yep.
there's a store on your phone, you can get the YouTube app. After you go to youtube.com, if you're on the app or if you're on the browser, if you look at the top right of your screen, you will see a little man. Be a little man. Maybe I'll put the icon up somewhere so you can see what it looks like. But there'll be a little man up there, and you can click on him, and you can put in your Gmail account.
If you have one.
If you have one.
Yeah.
If you don't, just put in your email address,
and
it will make an account for you after you go through the steps of entering your information. All right?
Yes.
So after you do that, guess what, guys?
You have to create your YouTube account.
That's right. You actually have already created your YouTube account.
Yeah, technically you already have.
Got through all those steps.
Yes.
So
yes.
They're done with
after that, then you could subscribe to any YouTube channel you like or prefer.
That's right. JJE.
That's right.
Go and subscribe to us.
There you go.
All right. Hit that button.
Hit that
You
button.
can get a good test run right now.
That's true. They really can.
You can, after you create your page, if you're watching this video for the first time, just look under it. You know, there's a little, thumbs up button. Go ahead and press that. There's a subscribe button. It's red and it has white letters in it.
White.
Go ahead and press that. Tap it. Spank it. Whatever you want to do.
Yes.
And that is how you subscribe to a person. Now, if you've ever watched our videos, they've heard us say what?
Oh, like, subscribe, and press that bell?
That's right. So when we talk about pressing that bell, there's a little bell right next to all of those icons. You go from left to right. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. That bell is on the end. What that bell will do, go ahead, let them know, baby.
Oh, it will alert you about what videos, if we go live, if we put any type of content out there, it will tell you that. It will give you that notification.
That's right. So even if you're watching your own favorite YouTubers out there, if you want to be notified about everything that they got going on,
that's right.
Just press that subscribe and then press the bell. And it will notify you personally when they have new videos up so you can stay in tune with your favorite YouTubers.
That's it.
So after you have pressed that subscribe button, does that mean that you have to pay a subscription?
Oh, it's free.
It's free. As long as you're on YouTube using its free account, it is free to subscribe to people. Even if you use YouTube Pro, I think it's called, you can still subscribe to people for free. There are other little things that we can talk about on another video, like joining their groups and different things like that. And we can talk about that on another video. But at its very basic level, if you press that subscribe button, you do not have to pay a monthly subscription to watch their videos.
Right.
100% free.
100.
As long as you got internet.
That's it.
You ain't got internet, you kind of SOL.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Jasmine, can you tell us a little bit more about that like button?
Okay, so the like button pretty much means that obviously you like what we're doing.
Duh.
I mean, but it also tells YouTube okay, then they're getting some people that really like their stuff or not. So the not one means obviously if the thumb is down, you're not feeling it. But in our case, I hope that is not the case.
But if it is,
be honest. Be honest. Hey, yeah, it's your opinion.
That's
your opinion matters. So.
And what people don't know is that dislike button is also a good thing. People having an opinion on your video enough to press like or dislike tells YouTube that they need to pump that video a little more. They want more reaction.
See? Win-win situation.
So it's a win-win. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, great.
Right.
Press whichever one you like. not only does it tell YouTube, but it also tells that YouTuber whether you like that content or not. So if you like this, press
like.
If you don't like it,
you press the dislike.
Don't do that. Just press like.
Don't do that.
All right. Also, there's one part of the YouTube experience that's very important, and it is that search bar at the top.
Yes. So, say if you know the name of a particular thing that you want to search for, content meaning, you make sure you put it in there, the search engine. A lot of things will pop up, whether it's to entertainment, whether it is to, I don't know, if you love cats, whether it is to, anything. And then you can kind of go to that or click that video, and then it will show all of those things, which is the like, subscribe, and all
those little kittens. So if you have a personal interest, like if you want to learn how to lose weight, if you want to learn how to get your credit up, if you want to learn how to do setups like this and what it takes, there are videos on YouTube. And the gateway to those videos is just typing in your interest right there in that search bar at the top.
That's it.
It's that simple. I call it YouTube University all the time.
I mean, you can literally...
You can learn how to braid hair.
You can literally search anything. I mean, they have a video for, I feel like, anything you can think of.
If you don't know how to brush your teeth, there's videos on how to brush your teeth. Look it up.
Yes.
I challenge you right now. Look up anything that you're looking to learn, do, see. I can just about guarantee you somebody on YouTube has done a video on it that provides value to you. Yes. So check it out, y'all.
Yes.
Whether you're a content creator or you just want to watch other people's YouTube videos, this is what you ought to do. All right?
All right.
We'll give some pro tips later.
Yeah, I just wanted to
when we become pros, we'll come back with the pro tips, all right? This is the real amateur layman's way of us, JJE, just coming together to give a little knowledge to you.
Yes, that's right. I think that covers it all.
That's a wrap.
Wrap.
Is it a wrap?
That's a wrap. Cut.
We out. Peace.